good old Modjeska Canyon, where the homes are big and the prices are out of my league. I'm revisiting the canyon with a new camera and hope to get some good angles for you. It's a good little side quest if you're going to Cook's Corner Bar or heading back from there towards Orange. It's not too long, only a couple of miles, but it's a really nice ride. Suggest you just take the little detour and go enjoy. There's rarely any traffic on this road, but if there is traffic, it's going pretty slow. And you'll want to also, depending how well you can take the twisties, there's some nice ones. Now that's a nice spread. I said earlier that the houses are big and the price is high. Well, something like that. I'm thinking 1.3 to $2 million for that one. You can get a small house out here, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. They're starting around $700,000, depending on where they are. Slow down, check out the view of the valley, especially when there's a truck up ahead of you going slow and you don't want to rhyme into the back of it. Yeah, I tell you, there's nowhere to pass up here either.
Subscribe to Dragon Rider Productions, or I will destroy you.
Get a good view, you're paying closer to $1 million, which some of the lots are going for out here too. Otherwise, you can pick up a lot for $600,000, $700,000, $800,000. Now, if you turn right here, go up that way, it's kind of like all real slow residential down to one-lane road, but down a ways is Tucker Wildlife Preserve. The guy Tucker invented what is now the modern-day hummingbird feeder, and they got a lot of hummingbirds there. They got a row of stands you can sit in, a little enclosed building, and all the hummingbird feeders are out in front, so you can watch the little guys and get their fill. Now, the old Propane Store is about the only business I know that is up here, and they've closed up permanently. I don't know if they're open again. They've been closed for a long time. They even got a little bit of area for motorcycle parking, because when they're open, the few parking spaces they have fill up pretty quick. This is the last little leg of the trip, and when you get back to Santiago Canyon, it's a little loop here. You can turn right, go a little ways, go past Irvine Lake and into the city of Orange. Turn left, go through Trabuco Canyon, past Cook's Corner, and you can turn right, go down El Toro Road, and you're back in the city. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe and $1,000,000. So whichever you got or want to give, you know what to do. Keep the shiny side up. Bye.